Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get started with GravityMigrate. Okay, so GravityMigrate is one of our plugins and it allows you to migrate any Gravity Forms data from one website to another. So that includes add-on data, forms, feeds, entries, file uploads, anything. So the first thing we're going to want to do is install the plugin. So if you're a GravityKit user, already you should see this GravityKit menu item here on your site. So all you need to do is hover over that and click Manage Your Kit. Okay, so once you're on this page, just scroll down until you see GravityMigrate here and click Install. If you're not already a GravityKit user, you're going to need to install the plugin through the plugins page in WordPress. So to do that, head over to your account on the GravityKit website and then click Downloads and scroll down until you find GravityMigrate. Click here to download the plugin file. Okay, so once that's downloaded, head back to your website, hover over Plugins, click Add New Plugin, click Upload Plugin, and then choose File, select the zip file that you just downloaded, and then install the plugin. Okay, so after installing GravityMigrate, you're ready to start migrating your Gravity Forms data. So let's go through an example here, and first let me show you exactly what we're going to be migrating. Okay, so first off we have a form here. This is an employment application form, as you can see. And then we have this dashboard page here. And this consists of a view showing all of the applications that we've received. And we also have this graph down below, which is displaying the number of people that have applied to different positions. So this table contains Gravity Forms entries and employment applications that were submitted through our form. And this is all being displayed using Gravity View, which is another one of our plugins. And this graph down here, we're displaying this using Gravity Charts, which is another one of our plugins. And then if we click into an application here we can see the full application, and we've also got this button here to download the resume. So this download button will download the person's resume, and this is using Gravity Export, another one of our plugins. So this is actually a feed, and then if we head back to the main dashboard page, we've got this view here, which is created using Gravity View, and this graph here, which is also a feed. And then, of course, we have our entries. So the whole setup is a form, a bunch of entries, a view, and 2 feeds. So it's fairly complex, but luckily GravityMigrate will allow us to migrate this entire setup to a new website without any hassle. Okay, so to get started migrating our data, we're going to hover over GravityKit and click GravityMigrate. Okay, so here we are on the GravityMigrate settings page. So let's scroll down to Export, and here we can select the forms that we want to export. So I'm going to find my employment application form, select that, and then I can choose the additional data that I want to export. So in this case, I'm going to export entries, uploads and files, views, and add-on feeds. And you know what? I'm also going to export the Gravity Forms and GravityKit settings. Okay, so now I can select a date range if I want to. This will limit the entries that are exported to that particular date range. But in this case, I don't want to do that. I can also set a file password for the export file. But in this case, I'm not going to be sharing the file with anybody, so I think that's fine. I can just leave this blank. Okay, so let's click Export. GravityMigrate is now going to package up all of that data into a simple zip file. Okay, so now that I have my export file, I can import it to my new website. Okay, so here I am on my new website, and I've already installed GravityMigrate. So I'm going to go to the GravityMigrate settings, And this time I'm simply going to upload my import file by dragging and dropping it into the box here. So here it is. Okay, so GravityMigrate will process that file, and then it will ask me exactly what data I want to import. So here we go, it's found that I've got an employment application form and all of this additional data. So here I can select the exact data that I want to import. In this case, I want to import everything. So I'm going to click select all and select all. And that's it. So now I can click import. GravityMigrate will then import that data to my new website. So if you have any specific add-on data, you'll just need to make sure that those add-ons are already installed on your new site. If they're not installed, it's fine. The data will still be imported, but you won't be able to use it. So you'll need to then install the add-ons before you can actually access that data, but it will still be there. Okay, so that's it. I've got all of my data exactly how I had it on my old website. Everything is set up, and that only took a few minutes.